Madam Speaker, in addition to sugarcane, agriculture and tourism, we also need to build up our manufacturing sector and encourage investment in the production of high-quality finished goods and components with significant value added. So we have allocated $8 million to establish a manufacturing and services zone in Warambitya Lautoka. The zone will target investments from leading ICT, manufacturing, supply chain management, and other medium to large-scale firms, and is expected to create employment opportunities for over 5,000 Fijians once it is fully operational. This is one way to create high-skilled jobs and a more diversified economy, Madam Speaker. The reason why it is in Warambitya, Madam Speaker, because these companies require access to an international airport and, of course, to a seaport, and, of course, Warambitya fits that scenario. Madam Speaker, Fiji is well located to provide finished goods and become part of the supply chain of manufacturers in Asia, Australia, and perhaps even the Americas. We are working closely with IFC in this project, and there is extremely strong interest in this project by some of the larger economies in the region. Indeed, the Minister for Industry and Trade was in New Zealand only about a week and a half ago, and there is very keen interest in respect to this project.